up our sleeves and start working. So we have here some cocoa peat and some aloes tree leaves composted. So this one, we're going to use it for our work today. I have here some of the containers. Actually, what we are doing today is to propagate some of our begonias using, of course, with cinnamon powder. Yes, cinnamon powder as a rooting agent is as useful as hormone rooting powder. A single application to the stem when you plant the cutting will stimulate root growth in almost every plant variety. So we are using the cinnamon powder today for our leaves propagation of our begonias. The cocoa peat that we are using here is very important because it maintains the moisture. No need for us to keep on watering during the process. Whereas the aloes tree leaves that are composted are good for the plants also because it has nutrients. If you don't have aloes tree leaves that are composted, you can use the carbonized rice hull. A 20% of carbonized rice hull will do. Carbonized rice hull contains potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium and other nutrients that our plants needed. Finish this video and you will learn something today. But before anything else, do like, comment, and subscribe and share. And click the notification bell for more gardening tips and vlogs from Hardinerang Nanay. So for this, we're going to experiment. I put cinnamon powder on the stem of the leaf and on the leaves. And then we're going to cover it with soil. We're going to see this one if it will, grow new plants, new begonias on the side of the leaf and on the tip of the leaf stem. Okay? So in gardening, there is no harm in experimenting and observing. Alright? As long as you are patient to wait, because in gardening, actually, it teaches us how to wait. Oh, by the way, if you want to add some pumice, it's all right. There are also a lot of factors in doing this experiment. We have humidity. Put the containers in a cool, dry place. I have here a previous experiment. We have the Black Knight on May 2021. And then we have the Escargot on June 17, 2021. So we will see the difference. These ones, they have no cinnamon powders. Okay, see, these ones have no cinnamon powders. These ones have cinnamon powders. And they were planted on June 17, 2021. And today is July 25, 2021. So they are more than a month already. This one's the Black Knight. They were planted on May 2021 without cinnamon powders. So we can see the difference. Alright, so it is a successful experiment. So our experiment today will be successful also. Thank you for watching HNTV Baguio, our home, our garden. We believe that all plants grow with love. Tinog kabasan mo wan. God bless us all. Do subscribe. Thank you.